Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. In this video you're going to learn how to paint different kinds of trees. So the first one, draw a straight line and a few branches. Make sure that they are not in the same length. Add in a few dots that make it look like leaves. You don't have to be perfect, just here and there. Even in between the lines, you can add the dots. For the next one, paint across the line. Make sure that the top ones are smaller, and as you come down, you make it bigger. You don't have to worry about adding extra paint because it's going to give you that light and dark highlights by itself. For this type of tree, you're going to do the same thing just without the line. This will give you a nice blurry effect of the tree. You can add in more paint after it dries to make it look a little more dense. For the last one, this is one of my favorite trees. Paint the trunk and add in a few branches. Take a lighter shade. I've chosen yellow. Dab in the paint to make it look like leaves. And don't forget, you have to do this while the branch is still wet so that it blends that way. And then take your dark color or the color which you've chosen for your trunk and add it to the light color. Make sure you leave enough white spaces because this will be the most important feature in this tree. Take the darker color and add in some more details. Draw thin lines in between those white spaces. This will highlight your tree to make it even more natural. Thank you again for watching my video. Hope you liked this. All the products used in this video are down in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.